How do you turn off the location service on a Chromebook device? Well, that is definitely a question that I ask myself because Chromebook in a way is similar to Android, and in Android you can easily just turn off the location service anytime you like. And in Chromebook, usually all the settings that are quite similar to Android can be accessed via this clock icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And this is the thing that will be revealed. You can access Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and do not disturb modes, screencast, volume, etc. But there is no location data, and it's kind of interesting because Chromebook do actually can process information about location, because some apps do need location about the user. So how do you actually control that? How do you actually disable the location service on your Chromebook device? Well, there is actually a new set of setting in Chromebook. There is maybe something that not meant to be seen very often. It is something that you can access, but let's say it is unofficial settings page for Chromebook. So let me show you how you can access those hidden settings to turn off the location service on a Chromebook device. First, navigate to the launcher menu. Okay, it took quite a while. And go to settings. Now you want to navigate to the apps section right here. Go to apps. And after that, you want to click Manage Google Play Preferences. Click on it. And here, you want to open Android settings. And yes, crazily enough, even though this is a Chrome OS, there is actually a dedicated settings very similar to an Android device. Click on it. And it will open literally a new app that looks quite similar to and setting page in an Android device. And you want to scroll down a little bit, and okay, we want to access this location. Sorry about that. It's a bit laggy here because I'm actually mirroring my Chromebook to my computer to be able to record this tutorial. But anyway, I'm going to open location, and right now the status of the location service on my Chromebook is on, but I can just turn on the switch and now the location is off, so no apps in Chromebook is able to know my location because I just turned off the location service. And that's how you can easily turn on and also turn off the location service on your Chromebook device using the hidden settings. Anyway, if you find this video to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel. It will really help the channel out, and I'll see you in the next tutorial video. Take care.